1 Minute Turkish Lesson 6.
I'm Şebnem.
And I'm Mark. You're listening to 1 Minute Turkish, the podcast in which we're teaching you Turkish 1 minute at a time. In each lesson of this series, we spend just a couple of minutes learning Turkish, but hopefully you can find lots of opportunities to practice your new words and phrases in between lessons.
It's time to begin today's lesson.
The clock is ticking.
So let's get learning.
Your 1 minute language lesson starts now. Today we're going to learn how to introduce ourselves. To say, my name is, you say,
Benim adım.
I would say, for example, benim adım Mark.
And I would say, Benim adım Şebnem.
You try saying this and put your own name at the end of the phrase.
Benim adım Şebnem.
Try this again.
Benim adım Şebnem.
Now, if you can say, my name is, then it's also important to be able to ask, what is your name? There are actually two versions of this, depending on whether you want to be formal or informal with someone. Speaking to someone your own age in an informal situation, you would say,
Senin adın ne?
try that again.
Senin adın ne?
One more time.
Senin adın ne?
And if you're in a more formal situation, then you should say,
Sizin adınız ne?
try that again.
Sizin adınız ne?
One more time.
Sizin adınız ne?
Listen to both versions together. Informal,
Senin adın ne?
formal.
Sizin adınız ne?
One more time.
Senin adın ne? Sizin adınız ne?
Okay, let's run through today's phrases again.
Benim adım Şebnem. Senin adın ne? Sizin adınız ne? Time's up.
So now you can introduce yourself and ask other people for their names. Okay, that's all for this week.
Teşekkür ederim. Güle güle.
This is a production of the Radiolingua Network. Find out more at radiolingua.com.